Hey everyone, this is Dev.com. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we'll be solving problem of the day on LeetCode. And the problem is adding space to a string. And this is a medium level question on LeetCode. So let's move on to the question. So the problem statement here is you are given a zero indexed string S and a zero indexed integer array spaces that describe the indices in the original string where spaces will be added. Each spaces should be inserted before the character at the given index. For example, S is enjoy your coffee and spaces are 5 and 9. So we have to place the space before the index number 5 and index number 9, which is Y and C here. And the result should be like this: enjoy your coffee with spaces. So let's move on to the another example, which is the S is LeetCode helps me learn, and the spaces were 8, 13, and 15. Okay, so let's see 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, before 8, we need to give a space like that. See the output here, and the 13, that means before M, and 15 so on before L. Yeah, and you can see the all the examples and clear with the description given here. And the constants are s dot length is less than equal to um, 3 into 10 to the power 5. So we have to avoid n square algorithms. Okay. S constants only lower cases and upper cases English letters. All right. And this is also same. Yeah, okay. And all the values of spaces are strictly increasing. Okay, so we don't need to sort the spaces array. So it is already been sorted in an increasing order. So let's see what should be our approach in our next example. So let's see this example. Here we have S as we love DDC without any specific. So let's see this example. Here S is we love DDC without any spaces, as you can see, and the spaces array is 2 and 6. So I have highlighted the 2 and 6 as you can see here. So where we have to give the spaces before that index number. Okay. So the results would be like this: we love DDC. And how it will work, I'll explain in a minute. So here I have taken a and a pointer a D. So now we have to understand why these are taken. A is for the pointer in the S. Okay. And thus for the S spaces array, this is D. We have to put two pointers to check each index numbers and compare it. So uh, consider A is in 0. Right now initially 0, and I'm sorry, D is in 0 in the spaces. So I have to check that 0 is less than 2. Okay, then we have to just print W. Then again we have to just put it put that A in here. That will be shifted, and the 1 is also less than 2. So the E will be printed over here, and then that will be 2. So 2 is equal to 2. Okay. So the first spaces is encountered. So now we have to put a space over here. Right. Over here we have to add a space over here. So when we encountered that A equal to D, then we have to print a space over here. Then the A will be at that same place as 2, but the D will be shifted over here. Okay. Then that will check the next condition will be 2 is less than 6. Yes, it is. So we'll print L, and up to 5 it is OVE, like that. And when the A will be again encountered at 6, the condition will be A equal to D and 6 equal to 6, right? So there will be a space. Okay. When we entered A equal to D, so there will be a space. We print a space. Then we just our array is completed, closed here. So we just uh, print the left element over here, D, C, yeah. So that will be our result. I hope you can understand what I'm saying. So for the time complexity and space complexity, as you can see, if we consider this as M and this as N, so the result would be O of big O of M plus N. Okay. And as this result will be the return value of our, we have to return it. So we'll consider it as big of 1. All right. I hope you can understand. So the time complexity and place complexity will be of 1, and yes, it is linear. So we can code it. So let's move on to the code. Okay, so let's write the code. So at first we need to take an integer variable. Let's say I is equal to, we need to take the size of spaces dot size, and we need to take the size of s also. Let's say p is equal to s dot size, and we need to take the first pointer equal to 0 and the second pointer d equal to 0. Now we have to take the new strings which we have to return, called res, as result. And now we have to take a while loop where we will check a is less than p, where under that we need to also check a condition if d is less than I, and as well as a should be equal to I'm sorry, a should be equal to spaces of d. Oh, I'm sorry. This will be outside of parentheses. And here we just need to print the space. Yeah, space. And over here we need to just increment the d. And yeah, that's all for that. And over here we just need to print the complete string, which is plus 0 s or a, and increment the a over here. Sorry, I have did that capital. We shouldn't do that. And over here, just return the value of race. I think that will work properly. Yeah, that's a solution. So you can practice it yourself and also take help from that. I hope you understand the approach and also the solution. Thank you for this time. See you in the next video. Thank you.